Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel, the ultimate guide to braided hairstyles for girls. Braids have been a staple in hairstyling for centuries, transcending cultures and time periods. From practical and protective styles to intricate and artistic designs, braided hairstyle offer endless possibilities for girls of all ages. Whether you are looking for a simple everyday look or something else more elaborate for a special occasion, braids can be your go-to option. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore various braided hairstyles for girls, providing step-by-step instructions, tips, and inspiration to help you achieve this perfect look. Number 1. The classic 3-strand braid. Overview. The 3-strand braid is the most basic and well-known type of braid. It's a great starting point for beginners and can be used as a foundation for more complex styles. How to do it? Preparation. Brush the hair for remove any tangles for a decent clear. Remove any tangles for a cleaner look. Dampen the hair slightly with water to leave in conditioner. Number 2. Section the hair. Divide the hair into 3 equal sections. Number 3. Braiding. Cross the right section over the middle section. Cross the left section over the new middle section. Repeat this process alternating sides until you reach the end of the hair. Secure. Use a hair to tie to secure the end of the braid. Tips. For more polished look, use a small amount of hair serum to reduce frizz. You can create a tighter braid by pulling the section more firmly as you braid. Number 2. The French braid. Overview. The French braid is versatile and elegant style that incorporates hair from the sides as you braid, creating a seamless look. How to do it? Preparation. Brush the hair thoroughly. Starting point. Begin by taking a small section of hair from the crown of the head. Initial braid. Divide the section into 3 parts and start a basic 3-strand braid. Incorporating hair. After the first crossover, start adding small sections of hair from the sides into the braid. Continue adding hair to each section before crossing it over to the middle. Finish. Once you have incorporated all the hair, continue with a regular 3-strand braid and end and secure with the hair tie. Tips. Keep the sections even for a neater appearance. For a looser, more casual look, gently tug at the sides of the braid to loosen it. Number 3. The Dutch braid. Overview. The Dutch braid, also known as an inside out or reverse braid, is similar to the French braid but with a twist. The sections are crossed under interested over, making the braid stand out more prominently. How to do it? Preparation. Brush and section the hair. Number 2. Starting point. Take a section of hair from the crown and divide it into 3 parts. Number 3. Initial braid. Begin by crossing the right section under the middle section, then the left section under the new middle section. Incorporating hair. Add hair to each section before crossing it under the middle section. Finish. Continue this pattern until all hair is incorporated. Then finish with regular 3-strand braid and secure it. Tips. Ensure the sections are tight to make the braid more pronounced. This style works well with both straight and curly hair. Number 4. The fishtail braid. Overview. The fishtail braid is a beautiful and intricate looking braid that is easier to do than it appears. It involves only 2 sections of hair. How to do it? Preparation. Brush the hair and divide it into 2 sections. Braiding. Take a small piece of hair from the outer edge of the right section and cross it over to join the left section. Repeat the same on the left side, crossing a small piece over to the right section. Repeat the steps, taking small pieces from the outside of each section and crossing them over until you reach the end. Secure. Use a hair tie to secure the braid. Tips. And number 5. The waterfall braid. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.